Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today I have a small shopping haul. Today is a Sunday and just got these in the mail, this outfit in the mail from Stitch Fix, and I got some things from Loft to show you. And I think tomorrow I have something else from Stitch Fix arriving that hopefully I could tack on to the end of this video. So the first up is this Michael Stars tank. I typically don't buy Michael Stars tanks because I can find cheaper at Loft, but this one caught my eye because I'll come closer. It's neutral, it's like a taupey colored, and it's textured. So for that, I decided to pick it up because I thought it was pretty unique and a good basic to have. I am wearing a regular, well, not a regular bra. I'm wearing a racer back bra with this, and I think I can get away with it no problem. Nothing shows, and I find this racer back bra very comfortable. It's a Soma racer back bra. I recommend it many times. It has lace on the back, but the front is just a regular bra. With it, I have these chambray pants. They're from Z Supply, the chambray trouser pant, obviously light blue, and they're extra small. And they are a tad bit snug around my waist, but they're not uncomfortable because there is an elastic back to them. But when they're around my waist and they are puckering ever so slightly here, I'm not so sure if I'm going to keep these or not. These are kind of pricey and I'm not sure if I like the fit. So let me know in the comments what you think, if I think you should keep these or if they're looking too small. I have a problem with pretty much any kind of pleated pant because they do pucker a little bit. Not horrific, but I don't know if that's attractive on me or not. So let me know your thoughts, and I'll look back at the footage too and make a decision. All right, give me a minute. I'm going to keep on the pants, and I have a couple Loft tops to show you. Okay, I forgot to mention that the Michael Stars top is 50% cotton, 50% modal, very soft and comfortable. Love the fibers. Next up, I saw this online, liked it or not, got it in the mail, and I'm like, I don't like it, okay? It's just not me. I think the print is too bold. This is 100% viscose. It's a top. It is enormous. I got it in a regular size, extra small. The neckline is also too plunging on me. I do like the split neck style. If this was like, I guess, thinner and daintier, I might like it. If you like this print, it is pretty bold. If you come up front, it is a bold print. Online, it didn't look like such a bold print. It looked a lot more delicate. But to me, this is kind of like a bold, in-your-face print, and I don't care for this print, and it's going back. So Loft was having a huge sale, so it was 50% off everything. Then they gave me $25 to spend, and then I had Loft cash at $10, and I was able to use all three. So this top cost me $28 and change. It's going back, all right? Give me a minute, and I have two similar sweaters to show you. Hopefully, I can keep one of them. Give me a second. Next up is this bright blue 100% cotton cardigan with the buttons up the front, and I got this in a regular size extra small, and this is too small. So the blouse was enormous and an extra small, and this sweater is just too small. You can see the buttons are pulling across the top, and even the arms are quite tight in this for me. So this one is a no, and it's going back. And honestly, this is a little bit too traditional, I guess, for me. And yeah, I don't like the crew neck that much. So even so, it would be going back. Like, I will do a crew neck if I like the rest of the fit and everything else, but this whole thing is just a little bit too conservative and traditional for me. So I'll stand back a little bit so you can see it, and you can see the back. It's just a plain back, and it is kind of on the crop side too as well. You know, I'm short, so don't go by me, but it runs small, all right? It runs very short and narrow as well. All right, give me a minute. Hopefully the last Loft item will work out. Oh, and this sweater cost me $14 and change, all right? So if I couldn't return it, but I can, if I couldn't return it, it wouldn't have been a huge dollar loss because I am looking for something in this bright color for spring. All right, give me a minute. Okay, last up I think might be a winner. So this is also a 100% cotton Loft sweater. Also cost me $14 and change. It has the buttons going down the front in this, I guess what they call the grandpa cardigan style, but it is a shaker knit. Okay, again, 100% cotton, so it's breathable, but it's much thicker sweater, great for this time of year. It has the puff sleeves here. It is 3/4 sleeves, and it's kind of like banded. This is like sewn just to let you know, I thought first, like, I'm like, wait, the cuff is inside out. No, it's sewn. It's like sewn in like this. So, yeah, I mean, this is like something you can wear as a regular top. I don't think it's too V-ish. It is cropped, but I'm okay with that because I'm a shorty. So, yeah, this cute little knit cardigan top is a winner in my book. The others are going back. I think I might keep these pants. I'm going to look back at the footage to see how they look. They're not too tight on me because it has an elastic waist. But I do see this puckering right here. I'm just gonna have to look back and see how I like it or not, or if I think it emphasizes my stomach or not. The pants are 64% lyocell, 64% cotton, 36% lyocell. And again, I got these from Stitch Fix, and their Z Supply is the brand. And this is a regular extra small. I am wearing heels with them, which is fine by me. I typically wear heels, but I would need to wear heels with these. These are quite long without the heels. And yeah, these are my purchases. So maybe the pants, I think definitely the sweater, but I'm going to look back at the footage. And I think I'm going to keep the Michael Stars tank, but I will look back at the footage to make sure I like everything. Okay, that is it for now. And hopefully tomorrow I have one more piece to try on for you. Okay, included is my last item from Stitch Fix that came in today's mail. This top is by Design History. It is 60% cotton, 40% modal. The sleeves are 100% cotton poplin. It is eyelet. It does have a crew neck, which this one doesn't bother me as much. It's a little bit lower. It's not about high. I do not like high crew necks. This is, I don't even think this would be considered a scoop neck, or maybe it is. The sleeves, I have to admit, they're a little bit tight on the arm, but I like the top, so I will deal with it. It's nice and soft. The fabric itself, it's like a cotton knit, and yeah, and it's in this muted red color. So I'm going to be keeping this. Okay, one thing I wanted to let you know, I am returning the pants and Michael Stars top. I decided I don't like them, and for the price, they're going back. It wasn't a love. And obviously I'm returning those items from Loft, keeping the one sweater, and yeah, okay, take care, and see you potentially next week. Thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, why not? What's holding you back? I'm free. Click that notification bell to get notified of future videos free, and give me that thumbs up. Take care. Till next time.